Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mike Cameron.
Well, we're in for another nice day. It's going to be cold just like yesterday, but it will be partly sunny and the wind will stay down, so it's going to be good. You can see here with our early warning 7-day forecast how we do expect to see that partly sunny sky. Inland, maybe about 37 degrees along the shoreline. We're looking at about 39 for you today. Tomorrow, I think we'll have clouds and sunshine mixed. There's going to be a weather front moving through. That's why I added in that extra cloud. There might even be an isolated flurry or sprinkle out of that as that's crossing through the state, though I think that likelihood is pretty small. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s to near 40 tomorrow, but that weak weather front is a cool front that will then settle temperatures back a bit for Tuesday, even though we'll see a lot of sun. Highs will struggle to get into the mid-30s. And Wednesday, too, I think we'll see temperatures into the middle and upper 30s with a lot of sunshine. We're sailing along that same theme on Thursday with temperatures running in the mid-30s. But then things start to turn on Friday as we do see clouds coming in. And then as we head into the evening, that's when I think rain will start to come in from the south and the west. And then Friday night into Saturday looks quite wet with rain. As we go into late Saturday night and especially into Sunday morning at the tail end of this, I put in a snowflake in there. There could be a few wet snowflakes as the storm is exiting, but I think that is probably not going to be of any consequence in terms of accumulation. The one other thing I should mention is Wednesday is a day we're watching because there'll be a storm offshore, and it may present, at least to easternmost New England, the chance for a little bit of snow. So here's our Futurecast tomorrow's weather today in a broad view. And notice by Wednesday evening how there'll be this development offshore that might actually carry a little bit of snow into eastern New England, the Boston area, the Cape, and the islands. It's really close. So we're watching it. We're excluding it from our forecast, but the models are pretty consistent in doing this now. So that's something we're keeping our eyes on. And if it's a little farther to the west, we might have some dealings with that ourselves. Then looking ahead to Friday, late in the night, here's about 9:30 or so, you see building rain to the southwest, and then that comes in Friday night and into Saturday. Here's about noontime on Saturday. It's quite wet, and you can see that system is still sort of working itself out of here as we look towards Sunday. So again, that weekend storm is here. And so we've got several days where we're not going to have to worry about that at all until that actually happens to come in our direction. So that's good. Early warning pinpoint Doppler's quiet now. We did have a few flurries last night as we suspected, or yesterday I should say, but you can see how those have since dissipated. There are still some through upstate New York, but I'm not so concerned about that today. But here's that big storm system that's over the deep south. It's still giving a lot of snow to the Carolinas and southern Virginia, but that will move far enough to the south that it's not going to impact our weather. Here's our Futurecast tomorrow's weather today through noon, and you can see how we have a partly to mostly sunny sky here. Here's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, looking pretty good, and then going on towards this evening. Here's about 6, mainly clear skies are expected all day long today. So it is going to be a nice but cold day. Again, here's your forecast. Temperatures inland will be going into the mid-30s. Same thing along the shoreline, although I think that there could be a few pockets that could be at a 38 or even a 39 this afternoon for just a little while as the high temperature for the day with that partly sunny sky.